Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your always head-turning 2018 Toyota Tacoma with the TRD Sport Upgrade Package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger, 4x4 pickup truck in a sleek midnight black color. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. With your Sport Upgrade Package, you can expect leather interiors as well as your moonroof and your Qi wireless charging station. And don't forget your upgraded sports tune suspension to have you riding nice and smooth. Helping you into your Tacoma is your handy proximity key. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you also have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. What we're going to do is we're going to lock up those doors, and we're going to put the keys into my pocket. By simply running your hand on the handle, it'll unlock for you. So you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. Plenty of space to hop into your Tacoma. You have some storage on the side of your door, as well as your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. On the side here, you have your rear cargo lamp, which you can turn on and off. You also do have that 120 volt AC plug-in, so you can turn the power on and off from there, as well as your automatic high beams as part of your Toyota safety sense. Your Tacoma comes with a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean. And check out these stunning black leather interiors all throughout, with that cool 3-dimensional center detailing to add that extra sporty touch. And letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open on those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your Tacoma with your proximity key, simply put your foot on the brake and hit that push start button there. That engine's gonna roar and that dashboard's gonna light up with that cool welcome screen. Turning on that ambient lighting for you to take a look at. That blue really just ties everything together with the black. And you also do have your multi-information display right on your dashboard, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. Taking a look at the menu right now, it's open to your Toyota Safety Sense features like your pre-collision system, which you can turn on and off, as well as set the sensitivity of the sensor on the front. You also do have your lane departure alert, setting that sensitivity, turning on and off that warning, and taking a look at your leather wrapped steering wheel. You also do have your volume control and mode changers, your voice command, and hands-free calling all mounted on your steering wheel, as well as your lane departure alert and your dynamic radar cruise control. Your cruise control can be set from below here. Taking a look at your LCD screen now. Opening up that audio system, you have your CD player on top, as well as your AM FM radio. You do have your Sirius XM radio, as well as your USB auxiliary input with your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring that music wherever you go. Opening up your applications, you have your navigation system, which is going to be perfect for that road trip you've been planning this summer. It's also very easy to use, so come on in, punch in your home address, and see how it works for you. Now, shifting into reverse here, you can see that your backup camera also shows up on your LCD screen, which is a great feature to have to get in and out of those tight spots and to keep everybody nice and safe. Below here, you have your dual zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for your driver and your passenger side. You also do have your heated seat option for both passenger and driver, with that 3 different levels of heat. Of course, with your Tacoma, you need your 4x4 option. You also do have your heated side mirrors and your air conditioning available to you. Below here, you have your blind side monitor, which by turning it on, the signal will show up on your side view mirrors. You have your power slide rear window to let in all that fresh air, as well as your USB auxiliary input and your 12 volt DC charger. Now, one of the great technology features of your Tacoma is your Qi wireless charging station. All you have to do is turn it on and you place your phone right there. There is a handy lamp below as well for visibility, and it will charge for you without any cords or wires hanging all over the place. We have that cool rugged detailing for your cup holders, as well as that leather trim on your shift knob. We have that chrome detailing, the leather again on your parking brake. Taking a look at your center console, plenty of space to store everything that you need. There is another 12-volt DC charger in there. It's a little bit dark. Closing that up now. Taking a look at that glove box. You have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Tacoma. And of course, that lock to keep everything nice and safe. And here we're seeing those cool fan details that we know and love about our Tacomas with that chrome styling. Plenty of convenience features built in, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Tacoma. Taking a closer look, you do have that cargo lamp that you can turn on and off for visibility. You also do have your power slide rear window to let in all that fresh air during those long summer drives. Back here, you have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You have that step, as well as your Tacoma badging. Below, you have your trailer equipment as well as your spare tire storage. And opening up that easy lift and lower tailgate. No more slamming down that door. Your back cargo area comes equipped with some convertible storage options as well as a handy box liner, so you can simply roll your truck off our lot and load it up. On the side here, you have your 120-volt AC plug-in, which you can turn the power on and off from your driver's side as well. Closing up that tailgate now, we'll back up to take one more look at the back of your Tacoma. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Tacoma with the TRD Sport Upgrade Package. Your truck is loaded with safety features like your blind side monitor, as well as your rear cross traffic alert as part of your STAR safety system, and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive, see how it fits into your lifestyle. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton at the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. And until I see you next time, drive safe.